With a $1,000 grant in hand from the Wisconsin Ayrshire Breeders Association, Kendra Thewis went looking for a registered cow her family might show at their annual spring auction. Up for bid were about 50 purebred Ayrshire cows and a handful of bulls. The auction was webcast, and there were winning bids submitted from as far away as Colorado. She ended up with a pregnant 3-year-old purebred named Royal Divide B Starkist, and all it cost Thewis was $1,050 out of pocket.
Who are you?